Hi everyone! Today I'm super excited to color Chibi Snow White. Before we start, I've already prepared the markers I'll be using. First, red marker, skin-colored marker, yellow marker, sky blue marker, holiday blue marker, and finally, soft pink marker. All right, friends, are you ready for this fun coloring adventure? Let's start coloring.
Run like a bunny, hop, hop, hop. March like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Fly like a bird, flap, flap, flap. Now take a bow and give a clap. Jump, jump, spin, spin. Let's all dance and start to grin. Clap your hands, tap your toes. Wiggle, wiggle, here we go. Fast, fast, let's go quick. Slow, slow, just like a trick. Round and around, up and down. Let's all dance around the town. Jump, jump, spin, spin. Let's all dance and start to grin. Laugh out loud, shout hooray! Let's have fun all through the day. Walking down the street so free, hand in hand, just you and me. Laughing